Yeah, hello friends. So today I will talk about like how you can add any text box and how you can add the scroll on it. Like suppose there is long text here, and like sometimes for the accessibility thing we just need to move the things around. So as you see here, so this is long text, okay, and we want to like you want to scroll that thing with the buttons. So how you can achieve that? So yeah, in the Angular, yeah, we can use the native element property, and with that you will get to know like how these elements work. So if you see here, if I press down, then it is going down. If I press up, then it is going up. So yeah, you can implement that thing easily with the native element approach. So currently, if you see here, so let's see, we can implement how we can implement that thing. So here, we what we have done, like we just simply created text area, and apart from it we just created the buttons like up button, down button. And so if you see here what we have used, so we have used element ref. So with the element ref you can let me show you. So firstly means we need to find out the reference of that element. So element ref is basically this is the text area that we are using. Apart from it, now we just need to do the go, like what we need to do. Like in the go up case we need to go up, okay. So like how we can, so here we have this property scroll top. So this scroll top basically give us some value. So in the up case we are just updating that scroll top value. So if you let me show you the value also. Let me show you the details of that element. If you see ID. So this is the element that we have. This is the element, and this is the down element. Let me print that thing also. So it basically on depend on the scroll top property. So we just taking the reference. This is defined with each element, each testable element. Let me show you that value. Firstly, we need to fill the text. Now if we now suppose you want to go up, so if you see here what we will got, we will get the whole element. So the element, so in this element we can extract all the values that we have. Let me print the value exactly. So here we add the behavior smooth also. So here if you see we are getting scrolled up value 60, 40. So yeah, we can use that to implement those buttons. Yeah, thank guys for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment it out, or if you want to contribute on this, you can create a pull request on this repository. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.